Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something truly ancient and maybe game-changing, Chrism Oil. Imagine this, a world where chronic stress isn't just a minor annoyance but a silent trigger for disease. It's like laying fertile ground for trouble in our bodies. Modern science is catching up, but ancient wisdom might just hold the key. Enter Chrism Oil. This mystical mixture traces its roots back to ancient Egypt and Israel, blending the essence of civilizations long gone. Misunderstood and almost lost in translation, it's a gem reborn in modern times. So, what's in it? Think olive oil, cannabis extract, cassia, myrrh, and cinnamon. Each ingredient a powerhouse on its own, together they create a symphony of healing. Stress unleashes chaos in our bodies, from oxidative damage to inflammation and gene alterations. Chrism Oil might just calm these storms. Users report it stings where stress hides and then brings relief. Arthritis, wounds, even whispers of cancer benefits, early observations are promising. But remember, while ancient wisdom meets modern science here, we still need more research to seal the deal. Chrism Oil's story is a call to blend our past with our future, to heal by understanding our roots. It's a reminder that sometimes the oldest remedies might hold the boldest fixes. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Stay curious, stay healthy. Catch you next time.